In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone any YouTuber with AI so that you can chat with them and ask any question. With this tool, you're going to be able to chat with the YouTuber and ask it any questions, whether it's business related, personal related, or anything. This even works if you want to clone a YouTuber's style. You can ask the AI questions on how to kind of take their style and put it into your own niche. Let me show you guys exactly how it's done. So to achieve this, we're going to be using NotebookLM. This is one of Google's newer AI releases, and I find it really useful for this type of thing. The reason it works so well is because it has a massive context window, so we can add a lot of data into its database. It can use all that information to answer any question you have. Another really cool thing about this tool is that you can take all the content and create quizzes, flashcards, infographics, and a bunch of other cool things, as well as a video breakdown or an audio breakdown summary of all the videos. So you're going to need to download a Chrome extension to make this work. It's this extension right here. It's called NotebookLM Web Importer, and all you're going to do is download it from Google Chrome. I'll leave this link in the description. Once you download that, all we'll need to do now is scrape all the YouTube links from any YouTuber. I'm going to be using Apify to scrape the YouTube links. I'll show you exactly how to do it, and you get a free $5 so you can scrape a bunch of YouTubers for free. You don't even have to go on the paid version. So all we're going to do is in the Apify store right here, we're going to click on View All Actors, and we'll go to this YouTube scraper right here. Once you're at the YouTube scraper, you can put the amount of videos you want to scrape. I think the maximum on Notebook of reference sources is 300. So I think 100 videos for me is enough. So I'm just going to leave it at 100. And then here in direct URLs, you're going to put in the URL of the YouTuber you want to scrape. I want to scrape Nick, so I put in his URL right here. And then you could also add filters into here if you want to, add any filters, as well as the date range here if you want to be specific, but I'm gonna leave that blank. So once you set up the direct URL and the amount of videos you want to scrape, you can just scroll down here and click start. Now this is gonna start the scraper. You could go into log here and see if it's working. It's gonna start scraping the videos, and we'll let this run for a while, and I'll show you guys what to do when it's done. So it's still scraping here, but I already did this earlier, and for 100 videos, it costs 50 cents. So you guys can do this around 10 times with 100 videos on the free plan. So once it's done, you guys will see a page like this when you click onto it, and you'll see all the videos here. Now, all we want to do is go on to the top right and click export, and you're going to click on CSV, and selected fields here, you're just going to type in URL and click on the URL field. And you're going to leave this blank and just click download. As you can see, it downloaded the scraper data right there. Now, all we want to do is open a Google Sheets. You just want to import that file that you just created, and boom, just like that, we have all the URLs cleanly in this sheet right here. So once you did that, all we're going to do is now go to our extension that we downloaded, the Notebook LM extension right here, and we want to copy 20 links, because on the free version, you can only import around 20 links at a time. So I'm just going to change the color so I kind of remember till where I copied, and I'm going to copy these links, open the Notebook extension, and over here, we're going to click bulk import. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and we're going to click create new notebook. We can name it anything we want. I'm going to just name it Nick, and click create. Once it creates it, over here, we can enter the links. So just click paste, and we'll have all the links like this, one per line. As you can see, we have 20, and I'm just going to click import. Now, while I wait for this to import, I'm going to go back and copy the next 20, just like that. And I'm going to change the color just so I know where I'm at. And as you can see here, it says import completed. Now we're just going to remove these and add the next 20 and click continue import. All right, now I'm going to add the next 20 into here. So we're just going to import those, and I'm going to finish the process of importing all of them, and I'll be back. So I just finished importing all 100 of the links. Now we can close these. And as you can see here, we have 99 resources. I might have missed one, but either way, that's enough. So I'm gonna open this notebook, and on the left here, you can see all the videos are connected here. And this was the one that didn't connect. There was an error processing, so that's why we only had 99. But either way, most of them got through. Then here, there's a little overview of all the sources. On the right here, you can create an audio overview, video overview, mind map, flashcards, quiz, slide deck, infographic. You have so many options here. And if you want to chat with all these videos, all you got to do is write anything in the prompt over here. So I'm just going to ask it, what is the best offer for an AI service I can sell? Also, what's the best service to sell that shows a good ROI? And I'm just going to send that off. Now it's literally going to look through all the sources, transcribe all the videos, and put all that context into one LLM, and it's going to answer based on all that data. And just like that, it answered as if it was Nick answering my question. So for example, here we have the best approach to selling an AI service and ensuring a good return is to fundamentally shift your focus from selling technology to selling guaranteed business outcomes. And if we scroll down here, it says a strong offer structure centers on guaranteed results, lead with the outcome, emphasize proven solutions, guarantee performance, frame pricing in terms of ROI, and it gives examples here. Then it also answered my other question, which is what's the best service to sell? And boom, right here, it says number 1, deep personalization cold outreach system, proposal automation system, lead generation systems, and then it even gave it tiers. So A tier, AI powered invoice and payments automation, client onboarding automations, AI content repurposing engine, and it even gave us target industries right here that has high ROI potential. So coaching and consultants, recruitment, staffing and offshore talent agencies, and B2B agencies. It says why it's high ROI right here. And as well, it says some service examples right here. All this information is based on all of Nick's videos. So now I'm going to show you guys another prompt. I wrote, give me 5 video ideas based on all the information from Nick. Let's see what it gives us for that. What's pretty cool too is it goes through all the sources and it gives you suggested questions here that you guys can just ask based on what it prompts you. And boom, just like that, it gave me 5 video ideas. Number 1, the number 1 S tier AI service to sell for guaranteed ROI, proposal automation. It even gives you the title and then a description or key content of what to record. Number 2, stop being a technician, start being an owner, the mind shift that scales AI agencies to 6 figures. Steal my deep personalization cold outreach system, 5x your reply rate with AI asset generation, and so on and so on. So it gives us really detailed ideas that we can take and use for ourselves. So you can even go one step deeper. You could say, create me a hook for my video with idea number 1, and boom, like that. Video hook for idea number 1. Stop wasting hours on proposals. I built the 5,000 AI proposal automation system that generates a fully customized high quality sales proposal in under 5 minutes to double your close rate and charge a premium. As you can see, this hook sounds like a hook from Nick's videos, which is why I love this NotebookLM tool, and I honestly use it all the time. So that's exactly how I clone YouTubers and ask them any questions that I'd like. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to click the thumbs up button as well as subscribe for more content. If you want to learn more for free, I have a school in the description below. You guys can go and check it out. I have a lot more AI stuff there if you want to get deeper into AI, as well as a full dropshipping course if you're interested in that. Also, if you're a business owner and you find that all this AI stuff is a little too complicated or you don't have time to learn it yourself, please book a call with me and I can give you a free consultation to figure out any gaps you have that we can implement an AI automation into your business. Hope you guys enjoyed. See y'all in the next one. Peace.